So hello and welcome to this first in a series of videos where we're going to be exploring the concept of interoperable simulation and the work that CAM Testbed UK, that's connected and automated mobility, is currently undertaking in this area. And interoperable simulation, what does that mean? Well, we use interoperable simulation as an umbrella term describing three things that we can do with interoperable simulation to make it comprehensive, flexible, and easy access for developers and customers. The first two are to do with common model formats and simulation approaches, which allows developers and customers to seamlessly travel between different simulation capabilities. And also the third aspect is around distributed connectivity between capabilities that allows for complex co-simulations to be set up between capabilities, significantly reducing the cost, integration time and path to market for CAM development and deployment. So I'm really excited today to have with me Tim Strong and Nick Reed, and they are undertaking a piece of work as part of phase 3, looking at the future of interoperable simulation and the benefits it can bring. So really looking forward to speaking to both of you today, Tim and Nick. I thought I'd start with a question for you, Tim. It's very important we build on existing understanding. And there's a lot of existing understanding and projects that are going on in this space, and I know you've been involved in them. I wonder if you could briefly talk about particular projects you've been involved with that feed into this understanding and how we can effectively build on them to maximise the benefits interoperable simulation can bring.
Yeah, fabulous. I'd be happy to, Tristan. So I guess I'll start at the end and then work backwards. So the first project I'd like to mention is a project that was funded under the CAVSIM R&D funding competition a couple of years ago now, and it's a project called OmniCav. Now that's a project, it's led by AIM-SUN, and they're leading a strong consortium of 10 different organisations, including Arcadis, for whom I work. And what we've been doing over the last couple of years is developing a demonstration simulator product and an approach to use it. So it's an approach and a demo product for CAM testing. And one of the very important parts of that approach is that we've been developing a modular architecture as part of that demonstration solution, which I feel is an essential component for the success of any interoperable simulation. And actually, sort of drilling down into my role on that project, well, I lead the commercial exploitation work stream for the OmniCav project, in which we've been engaging with potential customers and developing needs analysis and thinking about use cases and market sizing and even potential operating models. Now, all of that learning relevant for OmniCav is also super relevant for the interoperable simulation project. I guess aside from that, I'd just pick out a couple of other things. Winding the clock back probably 4 or 5 years, I was involved in one of the 3 Pathfinder connected and automated mobility projects. This one is called Gateway, where we demonstrated the use of early stage connected and automated vehicles around the peninsula in Greenwich, looking at a collection of different use cases. Now, the focus of that project was on public perception and behaviours and attitudes towards CAM by allowing members of the public to experience them. But actually, I think that project really helped the industry get going in the UK and started to realise the commercial opportunities for CAM in general. And the Gateway project itself led to the establishment of the Smart Mobility Living Lab, one of the CAM Testbed UK test sites. I guess the final thing to point out, this is not directly CAM related, but in my former role, I led 2 software businesses which had a strong component of simulation within them as well. So I think what I'm bringing from that is that experience of product strategy and understanding and shaping customer needs, and developing go-to-market strategies.
Fantastic, thank you, Tim. And I know, Nick, you've been involved in many projects down the years as well. How do you think we can best build on the projects that have been undertaken through government funding, for example, to maximise the benefits that interoperable simulation can bring?
Yeah, thanks, Tristan. So we're talking about potentially operating fast-moving machines in public environments. So to get that benefit of connected and automated mobility, we'll need to have confidence that those vehicles can be operated safely, securely, predictably in those public environments. So, apart from the simplest of use cases, I think we'll need simulation to help us explore all of the potential risks that an automated vehicle might encounter, whether that's traffic, whether that's different weathers, different pedestrians, cyclists that they might encounter. Simulation can help us be used as one of the tools to explore those risks that an automated vehicle might encounter. Now, UK has some of the best simulation facilities, some of the best researchers operating in transport simulation in the world, but I don't think any single facility can get us there, can answer all of the questions effectively yet. So if we can find ways that those facilities can work together, can collaborate, can coordinate, we might be able to get there faster. We might be able to help customers answer those questions more quickly and accelerate our access to the potential benefits that connected and automated mobility might be able to provide. And I think that's the best chance that we have to get to, the safety, the security, the confidence in connected and automated vehicles that we need to be able to deploy them.
Excellent. I guess that's exactly it. And what we're trying to achieve in this project is that interoperability between the different test sites now into phase 3 and proven with phase 2. I wonder, specifically focusing on the project, a final word from both of you. Perhaps let's start with Tim. What are you most excited about in the project, and how do you think interoperable simulation both enhances CAM Testbed UK and benefits the UK CAM ecosystem more widely?
Right. Well, I'm excited to be involved in the project. I think that's the first thing to say. It's really operating at the cutting edge. I'm really excited about two things. I can't wait to see what the technical work stream can demo working with the OEM. I'm sure it's going to really help to bring the interoperable simulation concept to life and provide another really great tangible example of the potential. And secondly, I'm really excited about being involved in developing a clear future for interoperable simulation, and look forward to see that unfold as we complete our work over the coming months. And how I think it's going to help enhance CAM Testbed UK. Well, we're going to have more data in detail to support this once we're done, but I think instinctively, building on what Nick was saying, it seems there's great potential for interoperable simulation to make it easier for potential customers to access a wide range of simulation capabilities across CAM Testbed UK, which in itself should drive more business to the test beds, both in terms of simulation, but also physical testing. And that's going to be great for the UK economy and great for their customers as well. Fantastic. And same to you, Nick. What are you most excited about, and how do you think this can enhance CAM Testbed UK and UK CAM?
Well, I think all the people involved in the project, all of the people across CAM Testbed UK are bought in to the potential benefits that connected and automated mobility might provide, and it's exciting to me to see the sort of traction that is building across the partners involved. I think I'm also excited about the fact that there are people who are not bought in to connected and automated mobility at the moment, and simulation might help us to develop the evidence to persuade them that those fears might be unfounded, whether it's fears around safety, around congestion that might emerge. I think we can use simulation to demonstrate how the benefits are there, and give regulators the tools they need to develop policies that can address those concerns and create a CAM ecosystem that works for everybody, and it feels like something everyone can get excited about. Fantastic. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Tim. Really appreciate your time today. Thank you for watching. If you want to find out more about what we're doing in this project, please do visit zenzic.io. You'll be linked to a video that summarises phase 2, which delivered in March 2021, this year just gone, and also you can read a report about phase 2 and the work that was delivered there. But a final thank you to Tim and Nick. Thank you for your time today. Thank you.
Pleasure. Thanks, Tristan.